JCB presentó en Bauma 2016 una de las máquinas más innovadoras de la feria, una excavadora sobre ruedas muy particular que llamaron HYDRADIG, un equipo multitareas de lo más versátil que será indispensable en obras urbanas.
We are in the Bauma 2016. We are in the JCB stand with a new product. Always JCB doing innovation, mixing different products. But let's talk about this product with Ulrich, who is a product manager of this line.
So the machine is especially built for urban areas, so where the space for a machine is restricted, so limited, so the machine has to be very small but powerful. You need a lot of lifting capacity, so it's very difficult for the machines that are built so far from JCB and also from our competitors. So and JCB was asked, so can you build a machine that will fit more to these tight areas, so that we have a better maneuverability, more stability, more visibility, so to have a more safe operation in that areas. And JCB asked a lot of customers, so what do you like with your machines you drive actually? So and then they start thinking about a machine that could fulfill and offer the top 5 requirements from these customers. So there was visibility, maneuverability, serviceability, stability. So these things are very important for these areas, and that's why they start thinking about a machine, and at the end of the day they built that HYDRADIG. So the most important thing was to get the visibility, because the driver would like to see where he is driving. So, and that's what the reason why we offered such design with that machine, so that we put everything down to the undercarriage, to the chassis. So then we can have only a very short counterweight. So on the visibility, due to the design of the counterweight and the side of this, so it's perfect. You look directly down to the ground, so that's really world new, so nobody offered that. So the safety is perfect for that machine in urban areas.
You can see the 4 wheels,
yes,
and at the same time you lower the point of the,
center of gravity, yes. So that is very important, so when you would like to have a very good stability, especially when roading a machine, a wheeled excavator. So wheeled excavator normally is not so stable when you drive 20, or as you can have with that machine 40 kph, so it becomes a little bit unstable. But with a lower center of gravity, which is 1.5, 1.6 meter lower than the competitors, so you have a very stable machine when you drive on the roads, like driving a Mini Cooper or a kart. So everybody is really impressed by the stability of the machine when roading. So 40 kph is not a problem with that machine, and also we have the possibility to tow a trailer. So it's also possible. So it is allowed to put all your material you need for the job site. You put it onto the trailer, you don't need a truck, so you can do it on your own with that machine only. Put a trailer on, put the tools on, and then you can drive through the city and do the job you need. If you compare it with the other machines, so it looks very smaller than the other 10 or 11 ton machines. But due to the lower center of gravity, you can lift 1 ton. That's 1,000 kilograms. So with the machine fully stretched, so the maximum reach of the machine, so you lift 1 ton and can move it around 360 degrees. Only on tires. You do not need stabilizers or the dozer blade down. Only on tires.
Full reach, how much they can take with this new design?
Yeah, that's 7 meter reach, fully stretched, and then you can lift, at 7 meter reach, you can lift the 1 ton. Yeah. You can lift it and move it 360 degrees around. In Europe, it's more popular to have what we call triple articulated boom, TAB. And the benefit of that is that you can get closer to the machine, you can get closer for digging operation with the machine, directly to the tires. You have a better load over height, so, and you have a shorter radius when you swing in your working area. You don't need such a big space, because the boom is far more out than with a TAB. You can get the TAB closer to the machine, and then the front swing radius is shorter than with the monoboom.
Just to finish talking about the radio and the wheels, we mentioned the telehandler.
Yeah, we have 3 steering modes, so front wheel, all 4 wheel, and what we call it crab mode, so that you can move the machine on very small areas. So, and you have seen maybe the little show behind that machine. So you have a steel wrist tilt rotator, and then you can move the machine and operate the machine with all the attachments you maybe have with a telehandler. So you can turn around the fork for lifting, whatever you want to do with the machine.
A grab for the
for lock handling or whatever. So it's really a multi-tool carrier. It's a perfect machine.
That's the word. That's an HYDRADIG. Yeah.
And that's the intention of the HYDRADIG, to be a multi-tool carrier. So whatever you want to do, you can do it with the HYDRADIG.
¿Qué estás esperando? Suscríbete ya.
Mercado Vial TV, un mundo de máquinas.